This is going to be a long-awaited tour of my condo that I've been living in for the past 2 years. Now this video might convince you why older condos are much more value than new luxury condos. Let me give you a little tour. One thing I love about this is that it just has so much charm, so much greenery. It's like you're literally in a forest. And make sure to stick to the end of this video if you want to see a preview of the next condo we're going to be moving to very, very soon. All right, let me show you the swimming pool. And as you can see, this building has 27 floors. Now over here we have our gym. Honestly, I never go to this gym. It's very worn down. Yeah, it does have some decent equipment. We got 15-kilogram dumbbells. But again, there's not too much here. So, and then we also have another gym area right here. Let me take you to the swimming pool. So as you can see, we're just surrounded by greenery. I just really like that. Now, if you've seen my CNBC interview, this is where it was shot at. Now, this is a swimming pool. It's actually not that bad, you know? For the price I'm paying for this condo, it's not at all bad. It's actually quite nice. You can go out here, do some sunbathing, you know, take a swim, and see the nice skyline of Thailand. You know, a lot of times when foreigners first come to Thailand, they're just absolutely sold on these beautiful skyrise infinity pools that look like $1 million, right? That's why they sign the condo deals at these very luxurious condos. Oftentimes missing out on the opportunity of these kind of older buildings that also have pretty decent amenities. You know, it's not going to be as nice as the luxury new skyrises, but honestly, this is not bad at all, especially for the amount I pay for rent. And the views are actually pretty good too. We're just like tucked in the middle of Thailand, but not right in the action, so it's a little bit more secluded, a little bit more quieter. So that was a very quick tour of the amenities. We only have the pool and a gym as I showed, so now let's go to the room. Oh, and actually, here's a stairwell. All right, so this is not even an amenity. This could potentially be like a sky garden, maybe in the future, but as you can see, they have a lot of work to do. That's gonna be the thing with a lot of older condos. Some of them are not gonna be as well kept, but yeah, here we are, facing the other side of Thailand. Really nice views. And as you can see, we have a lot of nice greenery as well. Now let me take you to the room. Welcome, come on in. This is gonna be a condo tour of the condo that we've been living in for the past 2 years. This is 60 square meters and I'm gonna reveal the price at the end. So let's go ahead and get started. So over here, we have the kitchenette area. It's pretty compact, pretty small. It's a little bit smaller than ideal, but as you'll see throughout this whole entire condo tour, everything is pre-furnished. We didn't really buy anything. I'd say 90% of it was pre-furnished, 10% we bought. So we got the air fryer, we got the microwave. Microwave was included. We've got the stove area. And then we just got our assortments of goods and snacks. And we have a lot of space. Up here we have 4 cabinets, and down here we have a lot of space as well. And then moving on, we have our refrigerator. Just give you a little preview. We got a lot of beer, got some eggs, got some steak. That's usually what I just eat every single day, just steak and eggs. Popo's trying to see what she can get. And then moving on here to the right side of the door path. This is kind of like our powder kind of getting ready area. So we'll just like do some last minute cologne, or this is like all my girlfriend's makeup and stuff. So as you can see, it's quite a bit of stuff. And all of these cabinets right here have all of our shoes, just nicely hidden and tucked away. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's continue on. Now, as you can see here, we have this random couch because we picked it up for free on Facebook Marketplace. So we're not really sure what to do with it. We're gonna be utilizing this when we move to our new condo, which we're gonna move to in next month. So that's gonna be very exciting. Actually, we're gonna give you a tour of that right after this condo tour. Over here, we have a rack just to toss some hats, some bags. Pretty messy, as you can see. Now right here, this is where the magic happens for Miss behind the camera. She is the one that does all the editing lately for my videos. So this is Stonell. She's the one that lives with me. She has lived here for 2 years. She used to work as a fitness trainer, but now she edits all of my videos. You'll see all over my social media. She's the one that mostly edits those videos. So she gets them done right here on her MacBook that I bought her, as well as the iPad. So this is kind of her area, as you can see with the pink. And over here is just kind of like a nice decoration area. We have Popo's snacks. Papa, sit, lay down. Dance, sit, give me a hand, high five, stand, Oh, good girl. Oh, that was so good. So I also painted this right here. Just kind of wanted to give the space a little bit more like visual, more vibrancy. And then here we have this candle lamp. So you just put your lamp here, and instead of lighting it with a fire and like having all those toxic fumes out, this thing just kind of slowly melts it, and it gives it a really nice aroma. As you can see here, we have various amounts of lamps. Over here, we have our plates of various electronics. Got my DJIs, got my Rode mics. We also have this aromatherapy humidifier. But yeah, this is really nice if you want to make the house smell good and moisturized. And as you see behind here, we have my charging dock. This is for all of my electronics right here. So the wires and everything are just nicely tucked away behind this painting right here. And now this is where the magic happens, right? I got my chair here. I'm not sure which brand it is. I got this for around 5,000 baht on Lazada. I mean, it's very comfortable. Definitely not a Herman Miller, but it's a good. Now we have my kind of desk set up. And the thing is, this desk, it's actually a standing desk. So it's got a nice motor to it. Yeah, I think this was one of the best purchases I made. Aside from my chair, you know, you definitely want to get an office chair. This is one of my best purchases, because you know, I'm pretty much home like 80% of the day, 90% of the day. So it's really good to just kind of stop sitting down so much. So let me show you more closer look on my setup here. We just have my MacBook keyboard, and then we have my Logitech mouse. We have this kind of side screen right here, and then we have my webcam, and that's pretty much it. And then over here we have some of my Thai textbooks. You know, I'm learning Thai. I try to learn proactively a couple times a week. And yeah, that's pretty much it. We got this nice mushroom lamp as well. And then with the press of a button, it just automatically goes down. Now let me take you a little bit closer. Over here, we'll have just kind of like a decorational area, but it also has utility. So over here, we just have a full stack of fragrances. As you can see, me and Donao are really into smelling good. My favorite ones right now are probably Creed, Blue de Chanel, and Oud Wood. And then whenever I go to the gym, I absolutely love Eros right here. This smells fantastic after going to the gym. I also like this one as well. It's got a little bit more of a musky feel. And then we have some various supplements here. I take L-theanine. I take this about once a day. Also lion's mane right here. And then in here, I just have like various sorts of vitamins. I have like fish oils in there, my multivitamin, Tonkat Ali for testosterone, got biotin in there, vitamin D, just got a bunch of different ones. I take about 10 pills a day. And over here we have this hand-painted bust of Batman. I actually painted this myself. I got this at like, if you ever go to those night markets all over Thailand, they'll have these busts. They'll just come in white, and then they'll give you free paint, and you can paint it. So I paid like 200 baht for this, and yeah, it's really fun date experience. It's really nice home decor in my opinion. Only like $5-6, so pretty good. And then in here we have some more storage. The thing I really like about this place is it has so much storage, you know, really big amount of storage. And then we also have my acoustic guitar right here. And over here, down here, we have this organism called Popo. She's the one that causes chaos, but she also adds a lot of warmth and love in this home, so can't live without her. Moving on to our main living room area, we have the main couch right here. So this came with the condo, and then this one right here is the same white couch as shown earlier. There was like a 2-set, so this was also free. So it's kind of awkwardly right here, but we got this because we're gonna move into the next condo. So we have like a lot of extra stuff just to prepare for our new condo. And I almost forgot, here is our laundry area. So we'll have our laundry. Here's the dog food area, and we'll just have some more storage right there. And then here is our restroom. This is gonna be a quick tour. It's a little bit messy, so this is it, nothing fancy. And that is pretty much it for the restroom. It is just one restroom here. And then we have some more storage. You know, we have all of this storage right here. You know, we could decorate it a little bit more, but we have a lot of portraits, and we even have some more over here. And we got some nice candles, got the coffee and whiskey, and then we got the tea time. It smells so good right here. We got the TV station area. It's a little bit smaller, but again, it came pre-furnished, so I can't complain. We got the True ID right here, which plays Netflix, HBO, YouTube, etc. Now let's take you on to our bedroom. Welcome in. Popo, what are you doing? Huh. So we got a nice king-size bed right here. We have this kind of powder area for my girlfriend. She'll just get ready to do her makeup and have a nice view of the outside area. This is the Tonglo area. As you can see on this side, the closet area, we'll just have some clothes here. We got all of our clothes in here. This is my closet. This is her closet. So the thing that really sold us on this apartment was that, I mean, these views are incredible, and the price itself, you will not believe how much this actually cost us. This cost us only 20,000 baht, which is around 550 to 560 US dollars. To be in the prime area of Tonglo, I can walk to bars, I can walk to restaurants, walk to the Marché Mall. Yeah, it's just such a prime location, and it's only 20,000 baht. And this is what the space looks like with the main lights off. I like to use this LED light strip right here to give a little bit more ambiance. And we can also change the colors. We can do blue, orange, pretty much any color. But yeah, if you don't use the main lights and just have a bunch of lamps, I think it just makes the space look a lot more cozy and warm. So that's pretty much it for the tour, guys. This condo is the Waterford Park 3 on Tonglo on Soi 53, and I highly recommend this condo actually. I think I got really lucky by securing a 20,000 baht deal. I think on average this condo here is around maybe 30,000-ish, but 20 to 30,000 for a 60 square meter is absolutely incredible deal. And also the utilities here are pretty reasonable too. I only pay about around 1,300 baht, and the water bill is only around 100 to 150 baht a month, which is just absolutely ridiculous. Now, let me take you to our next condo, which we're going to be moving to very soon. So this is what I meant, as in our condo is in a very tucked away residential area, very quiet. You're not gonna see a lot of traffic, a lot of like tourists, a lot of foreigners. Within just a few minutes, we're already on the main road. This is the main road where all the action is. And actually, if you take a right here, this is where all the nightlife is. This is Tonglo Soi 10. And then over here, this is where the office is. This is where the Com Cafe is. And yes, that is actually the name. And then over here, we have the Donkey Mall, as well as Jets Fitness, as well as Muin nightclub. And now this street right here is the Ekamai Street. We're already on Ekamai. And this is where some of the best nightclubs are gonna be as well. On the right here, we have Urban Music Bar. This is a very hip-hop club. And then right here, we have a very famous Chinese hot pot restaurant. This is called CQK. And then actually back there, I forgot to mention, we also have a club called Dope and Dirty, which is also very good. All right, guys, we just arrived. We actually have no idea what to expect. The last time we came here, it was like barely done at all. So, super excited. Let's see. Okay, guys. So as you can see, there's a lot of work being done. Wow. It's getting real. So we have this outside area. Oh, they built us a garden. This was not here last time. Wow, guys, I am speechless right now. Just imagine the opportunity we can do out here. We can have like a cookout. We can have kind of like a terrace area. Oh man, kitchen area. So it's got kind of like a nice aluminum, kind of stainless steel finish. Actually, it's not too bad. It's got a nice like industrial kind of feeling. Oh, it's got nice storage. Guys, I'm literally seeing this all for the first time right now. We have this, we have a huge stove, 4 stove countertops. Very nice. Okay, now let's show you our first bedroom. Wow, so we have our bed right here. As you can see, we don't even have any windows yet. Oh, check out this restroom. Look at this restroom. Bro, this is so classy. Look at this bathtub. We can fit like 5 people in here. I don't know why we would want 5 people, but wow, everything is new too. Like the toilet is new, the bathtub, nice glass doors. Oh my gosh, so nice. We have a sink area. Wow. Unbelievable. So as of right now, there's no furniture, right guys? And in there right here, this is our storage room. Right now, this is gonna be the main primary bedroom. We're thinking of making this a office, like a work office, because we always work from home. Got another bathtub. You know, if you're just working we get kind of tired, we'll just, you know, put some ice in here, do an ice plunge right here, wake up, get back to work, you know? And then here we have a nice view, get that nice sun in. Wow, this is like a dream come true, guys. I cannot wait till it's finished and then we can furnish the place. We're thinking of making like a kind of a docu-series of how we're gonna furnish the place. We're gonna try to make it look super nice and kind of show you guys along the way of our new future home. So really, really excited. Also have another shower here. I mean, it's quite spacious. I feel like we're gonna need a lot of furniture. Oh, and check out this. We have another restroom, but this is crazy. We got this electronic. Wow. Oh my gosh, I got goosebumps.
Maybe you can do like a Bluetooth or something.
Man, yeah, we need to put some speakers in here. Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I absolutely love it. Like everything's brand new. Got the new shower heater, water heater. Nice. We literally have 3 showers here, 3 toilets. That's unbelievable. 1 toilet for me and you and for Popo. All right guys, just gonna do one little tour again of the main living room area, and that's pretty much it. So the price of this condo, it is 50,000 Thai baht a month. That's around $1,500 a month, which is pretty pricey for Thailand standards. But then again, for the amount of space and the location, it's actually not that bad. So I hope this video was able to convince you guys why older buildings are much more value than newer buildings. If you guys are actually interested in connecting with my real estate agent, you guys can join my free Thailand group down in the description below and follow me on Instagram. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll keep you updated on how this goes, and I'll see you in the next video.